Alright guys, Street Tactical Integrations here in Portland, Oregon. Sifu Baker. And we're talking about managing a knife. And in this situation, I have a knife out, he has a knife out, I'm in a military grip. Okay, and so as he comes to stab, I come here. The first thing I'm doing is I'm managing the stab by hacking and then quickly pinning it with pinching it with my knife against. Okay, so now I have a control mechanism. From here, because I have a control mechanism, I'm going to come up and break his elbow and hyperextend it. From there, this hand here is going to drop down to control so I can stab him in the neck. The reason why we're doing this, of course, is that he's trying to kill me. In order to usually survive somebody killing you, you've got to do something horrible to them, or you can run away. Running away with somebody's knife, I would not necessarily advise if they're trying to kill you. Okay, so again, from here, I'm coming from the outside, I'm getting that control, I'm pulling it down. As I'm pulling it down, I'm bringing it and breaking his elbow. Okay, then I come down here, control, and start to stab. One key ingredient that I see a lot of people, one, they don't understand, probably, which is why they practice this poorly, is they stop controlling the knife or the weapon arm, okay? And just because you get a kill shot doesn't mean this person still can't kill you, okay? There's a dead man walking rule that just because you've killed them, the brain, the body still can move, right? It's why if you kill a shark, you don't stick your hand in their mouth immediately. Why? Because it still can do this. He can still, even after I do this, he's bleeding out. He can kill me right here. You can do an armpit hit. I'll bleed out through my armpit. So we'll both be on the sidewalk, right, bleeding out. So don't do that. Continue to control. So the first, I get to the side, I control. Because I have a control, it gives me the luxury or the opportunity, the chance to break here, right? Then again, because I'm now going to let go of control with this knife, I'm going to control with my other hand here, right? Because he's low, the opening is high. Stab, stab, stab. Keep controlling this. You could just sit there and count. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. People onlooker are going to look at you a little weird, but that's all right because you're a martial artist, so it's okay. Okay. What we did before, right, when he comes in here, was that we're going here. I don't have control. I don't have control. Now I have control. Now is when I start to stab him, right? What I don't do is come in here, right, and then let him go and do stuff, right? Recently somebody posted, I gave some feedback to Sifu Aldecascos about this, right, was he did something like this. Here, and then he was doing this. What's he gonna do when I start doing that? He's gonna turn around and start stabbing me. First of all, anybody who's actually ever been a medic or knows anything about the body, is you can take a lot of slashes, his innards can be falling out, right? And he still has a lot of piss and vinegar and fire to kill me. Don't believe just because you've done a lot of fun things like this. Go online, look at it. People can be stabbed like 52 times, can be slashed like 700 times. They're still moving, they're still alive. They'll be all sewn up and patched and they'll put them back out. So do not let go. If this still has a blade in it, do not let go of the arm. Control it. Okay, so again, going back to our technique here, right? Our flow drill, here I've controlled, right? I break. I control. Now I'm the maintaining control. I've got control even here with my leg as I'm stabbing him, driving him forward. Okay? You guys got that? All right. Live it, love it, lock in, get into it.